It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. Thank you very much to all the wonderful people who've decided to send to the channel this month. We got 3 fantastic parcels, absolutely wonderful. One from Denmark, one from, I don't know, this is like Fort Knox, this one. I've had a little go at it. It's been kind of cable tied and all sorts together. So I've had a good wrestle with that. I've already started the video once and I had to stop it because I couldn't get into the box. So well done to the amazing packet of that one. And then we got another box of beer that looks like it's from a brewery, which we'll get to in a moment. So let's start off then with this. I thought initially it was a blade keg, a Heineken blade keg. Right, so we have a packet of Tyrrell's sweet chili and red pepper crisps. Amazing, lovely, thank you. Some KP salt and vinegar peanuts. Amazing, thank you. Oh, beer-wise, now we got some Spaten Oktoberfest. Oh, yes. Now then. I just reviewed that. I just finished that on the Phillips Perfect Draft. It's a fantastic lager. I really enjoy that. Wow, what's this? Oh, it's a Torp. My goodness me, I haven't had a Torp in ages. This is Paul and a Oktoberfest beer for my Krups. Now, I haven't used my Krups machine. Blimmin' heck, I haven't used my Krups machine in... It was last Christmas, I think. It was like 10 months ago. So I'm going to get to use my Krups machine again. Awesome, thank you very much. I hope the lovely person's put a note in the bag, or the box, so I can see who sent it. I did get an email, but I decided to open it off the cuff. So now we got Lowenbrau Oktoberfest beer as well. So we got Spaten, Lowenbrau. So the two, I did these 2 on the Perfect Draft this year. Amazing, amazing. Thank you very much. Have we got... Right, I'm just going to say thank you for now, because I believe that was an email. I think an email come through to me with would I like a Torp for my Krups machine. So thank you so very much for that, the lovely person who sent. That's the first box. It came from Glasgow, so the lovely person was from Glasgow. Right. This one is from Denmark, and this one is from my good friend Peter, the Master of Hoppets, who's the head brewer of Bad Seed Brewery Company. So this is a seal with an earth on the top called Cryogenesis Cold IPA. Looks very good. Got a blocked sinus, so I might be a bit sniffly in this video. Bad Seed Brewing Uno Pills, so an Italian pills then. They make some fantastic lager, do Bad Seed. When was it? I think it was like April time, I think. I was reviewing their beers last time round. Amazing, really good. Whoa, what's this? Now, Peter said he sent me one of his own collection beers this time round, which is blooming lovely of him. And I got a funny feeling. Oh, ho, ho. It is. Look at this. Whoa. Yeah. God, I've not had a Cantillon beer in years. Years and years. I think the last time I actually had a Cantillon beer, I might have been sitting in a bar with Peter somewhere. a memory of sitting with Peter, and someone brought us over, Johan from Sweden, brought us over a bottle of Cantillon. I'm sure that was Peter, but I don't know where we were. Maybe in Belgium or somewhere. It was Sweden. It was Sweden. We were with Torfita Grissar in Sweden. Yes, that was it, I remember. And we went out on a night and Johan came over and plonked a bottle of Cantillon on the table for us. So that's the last time I think I had a bottle of Cantillon, was with you, Peter. Ironically, here's another one. Thank you very much for sending. Now, if you don't know Cantillon, well, they're a fantastic lambic brewery. This is 6% ABV and it was bottled in February 2022, so well over a year old, 18 months old, this one. It's got a bottle cap and a cork. 750ml bottle called Sang Bleu. I really appreciate that. Thank you, Peter. Next one is Lesh de Mota, Hazy Beer and Bad Seed Brewing, 10.3% ABV, Imperial Stout. Mexican Chocolate Stout. Bad Seed New School West Coast Pilsner, 5% ABV, brewed with Citra and Chinook. Citra and Mosaic. Where did I get Chinook from there? This is a leopard or a tiger here. Saber-toothed Tiger, double dry hop New England double IPA, 8% ABV. All the beers, everything will be reviewed on the channel. Whoa, we're going right to the bottom. Oh, that was the Cantillon. Right. There she is. Oh, look at that. That looks really interesting. I think it's a person. Oh yeah, it's a lady bent backwards. Wow, what a position. I shouldn't have said that. Swordfish Trombone. Swordfish Trombone. 5% ABV. Fantastic. What was it? 5% ABV. Modern West Coast Session IPA. Next one is Tile Cutter. That looks cool. American Pale Ale. We got some beers to review. Yeah, we're nearly there. Bad Seed Brewing, Low Batomi. Wheat beer! Yes, love a wheat beer. Amazing, amazing. Coriander, orange peel, lime zest, dry hop with Citra, 4.7% ABV. Couple more then. Get Rhythm, Bad Seed Brewing, 6.5% ABV, New England IPA. Amazing. This brewery is fantastic, by the way. I've had some amazing, amazing beers by them. And Bad Seed Brewing Classic Lager, Organic Vienna Lager. That's going to be fantastic. 5% ABV. So they're the beers from Bad Seed Brewing Company. Please check them out if you're living in the Denmark area of the world. Right, now one more box. Oh, that is a heavy box, that one. I didn't want to put the 3 boxes on the bar in case the bar collapsed. Right. A box of beer from Broughton. Wee Jock 80 shilling, 4.4% ABV. Next up, Stout Jock Black Thistle Stout, 4.8% ABV. This is going to keep me going all winter. Old Jock Scotch Ale, 6.7% ABV. I bought this one myself back in April 2023. Went to a kind of world food shop and they had it there. This is Broughton 6.2% IPA, strong and hoppy, called Hoppo. Not Hippo, Hoppo. Amazing. Spy Valley Brewery, Sunshine on Keith Session IPA, 3.5% ABV. Alchemy Juice Do It, Guava and Blood Orange IPA, 4.7% ABV. This must be their kind of craft brand. Broughton's craft brand, Alchemy. Bring Out the Imp, 10.5% ABV. I got a funny feeling I've already reviewed that on the channel. That rings a bell. But of course, I mean, we'll do it again, why not? Speyside Lager, 4.8% ABV. Very cool. Thank you very much to Broughton Ales for sending me this box of beer. Last four at the front, Malt Bomb, Alchemy, 4.5% ABV. I'll give that label a little clean before I get into that one. Ooh, nearly dropped it. Label's a little bit dirty, but we'll clean that up. Highland Jock, strong Scottish Ale, 5.9% ABV. Amazing, amazing. Started brewing in 1979, the year I was born. Proper IPA, West Coast, Hoppo, 5% ABV. We got one of them, haven't we? Why do I feel like... that's a slightly... Oh, we got a West Coast and 6.2% ABV. So two of the same there. Well, not the same, two different beers, but two of the same branding. Last but not least, there's another Hoppo, Session IPA, 4% ABV. So we got a lot. We got a lot of cling film and bubble wrap to pick up. Lots of beer to review. Again, I would like to thank all of you lovely people for your amazing generosity on the channel. Probably couldn't do it on my own if I was honest. I couldn't find and source all of the beers. It's just doing 2 beer reviews a day. You do find yourself running quite low sometimes, and then all of a sudden, poof, 3 big boxes come at once, and it just keeps you going. So thank you very much for all of your support on the channel. The food, the crisps, the beer, it'll all be on the channel in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching. Please put your comments in the comments box, subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews, give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom, cheers.